What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna make some rear spats for the E36. It was parked one day and I looked at it and I said, I need something for the rear here. It needs something to flow, you know? So I got thinking, I have that giant sheet of ABS from the sides and the front. So I kind of based it off a couple designs. If you know the design, then you can kind of tell what I'm basing it off of. It kind of matches this rear. Yeah, so something. I tried really hard to make these as even as possible, but you can see this one got bent before the line. This one's perfect, but so this one's gonna be a little taller, but oh well, they're pretty similar. Trying to figure out how to make these all one piece, so kind of this is gonna sit something like this, and then we're gonna have, I don't know what you'd call this, but this is going to be like around there, and so they'll kind of sit like this in a way. So I'm making a bracket that's going to go right about here to here, and then it's going to mount on one of these sides right here, so it'll be hidden kind of like this. That way I don't have to worry about gluing this on here or messing with that, and then I'll just use like bolts or self tappers. I'll have to figure out what's under here.
A few moments later,
I skipped to the good part and I just put all the parts together and installed it. Kind of not installed it, but you know, I put all the pieces together and I made the part. So I'll show you what I did. So I took the two pieces of ABS and then I drilled a hole through this guy, put the bracket in there, bolted it down, and then I drilled a hole in this guy and did the same thing. And they have kind of a little, whoop, there's little lock washers in there. You cannot see them at all. Yep, so there's a little lock washer, kind of holds it in place. So we're gonna mount them up and kind of figure out where they go. I think it's gonna look very nice. Yeah, one issue is gonna be this bolt. It's gonna kind of hit first, so I'll either drill into here or cut the head down. As I was drilling and stuff, I was gonna use like screws or self-tappers, but I don't actually have self-tappers. I just have like regular screws. Better alternative, zip ties. So I'll drill two holes kind of next to each other and just run a zip tie. This is turning into way more of a project than I thought. There's all this stuff, like there's plastic, like thick plastic kind of going down. I think it connects to all this stuff up here. I don't know. And then there's this aluminum shield. So what I'm doing, trying to get the zip tie through, and then I drilled kind of a window. So I'm gonna use one of these picks and try to reach in that window and grab the zip tie, feed it through the other hole, and then I mount this part up here, and then I'll try to do another one towards the back, and I'll just do 2 zip ties holding it in. I don't know how long that was just to get that one zip tie in there. This has not been easy. Definitely a terrible idea, but I finally got one. I need to go eat. There she is, all mounted up, so you kind of get the look. Kind of hard to see, but now I'm gonna work on the other side, but it's on there, solid, just 2 zip ties. What I found is I'll drill one hole just large enough for the zip tie, and then the next hole I'll drill out larger, and then try to drill another large hole in the middle. That way I can feed the zip tie through and get access to it. So it's on there. Bumper has a little bit more holes in it. Hell yeah. I think it's gonna look quite nice. Here she is, and I think it looks perfect. Nicely swoops, follows the body lines. Oi, oi, oi. Very happy with how this is looking. Yeah. That was it. Little spat install. So, yeah, hope you liked it. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.